Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as the part of exercise, let me quickly grab the table topic for today. Okay, so the table topic for today is, what is the one thing you would most like to change about the world? What is one thing you would most like to change about the world? What is one thing? The one thing that I would like to change about the world is the way we look at money. Currently, the money is becoming the medium from which we can buy everything, almost everything. People, there are people who say that money is not important, you cannot buy happiness with money. That is all there, but you can buy almost everything with money if you have, and that is why it has become so much important in today's world. I would like to bring a change where we just look at the money as a medium to do things, medium to buy things, and that is the one thing I would like to change. And why would I like to change is that there are people who need it the most are not getting the money, are not getting the jobs, are not getting the food on their plate. And because of this, the disparity in the world is increasing a lot. Richer are becoming richer, poor are becoming more poor. So this is something we should change, and this is a human crisis. This is the crisis that we made it, and we need to rectify it today. We need to come up with a system, or maybe we need to bring about some change that where we can bring down the so much importance of money, and we look at other things, and uh, that's the way I would like to look at. To summarize it, that if you ask me, one thing I would like to change about the world is that the stature of the money, because of money there are evil things are happening as well. The rich are becoming richer, poor are becoming more poor, people are not getting the food on their plate, even though they are fighting for everyday's food. So that's it. Thank you. Over to you.